Hey guys, it's Dr. Mudd. I want to do a quick video sharing with you how to check and be certain you are logged in with your school issued email address, the one that ends in @stu.mcpss.com. I want to show you both places you need to check to be sure that that's how you are logged in, even if it's a school device, but most importantly, if it's a personal device, because personal devices like to switch back to your default home personal Gmail accounts. The first one would be right here in Google. When you go to the main Google page, look over here to the right. If you hover over that bubble, if there's an account already logged in, it will show the person's logged in and the email address. So it may even say your name, but make sure that the email address attached to it is your school issued email address. If it's not, you're going to have to sit and sign out, or if there's multiple ones listed there, hit sign out of all of them and then open up a new Windows tab. If that is signed in, you can always then go to the main MCPSS page, click Our Staff. If you weren't signed into Google, when you click Our Staff, the option will then pop up for you to put your email and password in, which is fine if you do it that way. That will then bring you to this page. You can scroll down and access Schoology from there with this app right here. Or you can scroll on down and you can go through the Clever app, which is right here. This is also, the Clever app is also how you will access the iReady Reading and Math. So if you did the Clever option and you clicked here, you will then see the Schoology app right there, and your iReady app would be right there. Okay. Another place you need to check and verify is in your actual Schoology account. You go to the name in the upper right hand corner. Click the arrow for the drop-down box, go to Settings, and then look at your primary email that is listed there. Make sure the one that is there is your @stu.mcpss.com account. If it's not, if either one of these places has a personal Gmail account, what that does is it allows you into Schoology. You can still see everything, but the links won't work. The links won't work. That's links to videos, assignments, anything. So please make sure you're checking both of those. The other thing is a lot of us were having issues accessing the Webexes in everybody's classes. For mine specifically, what you're doing is when you go here to the live lessons page, it tells you click this link to join the live lesson. If you just do this, see how it is still an arrow? It's just going to go to a white page. You have to go almost a little bit above it, and it will turn into an arrow, or excuse me, the arrow will turn into a little finger. That is what you would click to then go to the Webex meeting, okay? Or you can just click on the Bitmoji person, sorry. It will take you there as well. Same with the recorded lesson, okay? I will fix this today, but I'm telling you, that's, if you're doing this, just randomly clicking, that's why it's not doing anything. It's just going to a white thing. You have to actually click on the link, but because of how sensitive these things are, you almost have to go a little bit above it. So I will fix that today, but that was the situation that was going on as to why you could not access the Webexes. So now you'll know for the future. It will be fixed for my class, but in case any other classes have given you that same issue, just make sure you're hovering to where the arrow turns into a little finger like that. Okay? Hope that helps. If you need anything else, you know where I'm at. Bye, guys.